Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I think I just heard outside Toyota engine V6. It's about the time when Isaac said he will come and show me his new purchase. So let's go and see if it was really him. I think I heard correct. Can you imagine being 16 and your first vehicle will be actually this? He apparently found with his mom 4Runner. What is it, Isaac?
This is a 1996 Toyota 4Runner with a 3.4 V6 in it.
Oh, I'm so happy it's 3.4 liter and it's not that previous 3 liter that will be a nightmare. You know about it?
No, I don't.
Yeah, you don't know the differences. We can discuss it later. So, yeah, wow. And what is this? How many miles it has?
It has close to 280,000 miles on it.
280,000, okay, as expected, older vehicle.
But right now it is 279,940,000 miles.
Okay, yeah, so that sounds good. Is it some special edition or what is it?
Yeah, this is the SR5.
SR5, I gotcha. That's correct. It's even in the gold. Did you paint it or it came like that?
It came like this.
It came like that?
Yeah.
Uh-huh, well I like it. That's exciting. I can't believe your first vehicle is Toyota.
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
You are excited?
Yeah.
Well, let's take her in. What your mom said we have to do first?
Oil change.
Engine oil change?
Engine oil change.
Okay, well, let's go and see if we can take care of it. Wow, he's doing pretty good. I think he has this 4Runner only like a week. And he's a new driver and he put it pretty good, I will say. Very good between the towers. It's never very easy to position the arms, but Isaac wants to learn all of it. So he is on his knees and trying set up his 4Runner on the lift so we can start lifting. So how you will, Isaac, loosen the bolt?
I don't know, try and get some help.
Yeah, it's all new for you, so what is happening?
I don't
Aha,
know.
you need a guidance with it. Okay, that's not a problem. Did it just happen? Did you just got it loose?
Just got it loose.
So is it your first time ever?
First time ever.
Oh, well, I love it. This is wonderful. I was a little bit late with the camcorder, but look at that. Your first oil change, your first vehicle you own. You dirty? I said, here are the rags, so clean yourself. Use them up. No worries. Well, congratulations. That's a big deal. I love it. So it's nicely still dripping. Where is the drain plug?
In there.
Oh, it's in there. Okay. We will fish it either with magnet or you can just, but you just clean your hands, so you don't wanna reach in it, do you?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Oh my goodness. Well, this is the fun of the first oil change ever. Nice. And is the washer on it? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Cool. We will put a better washer on it. That looks like some copper one. And again, you have all these rags here, so clean yourself. Good job.
So, Peter, I was asking, so when we do the inspection, can we leave this here? I like it. It's a little plant.
Oh, there is a plant growing?
Yeah.
Oh my God, this has a personality, this 4Runner, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. I wonder how many extra things we will discover on it.
Probably
I see, unfortunate thing, there is a chip in the headlight right there, unfortunately, but not a big deal. The skid plate is still here. Yeah, so how fast is it dripping?
Slowly, it's probably one.
Do you think you are ready to close it already? Are you done with waiting?
I'd say it's 4 seconds every drip, so I will just clear that.
Uh-huh. I love it. Thank you for doing that. That's awesome. Let's go and figure out that drain plug and that washer together.
All right.
Is there any way you think you can remove that old washer from the drain plug? Is it coming off? Can you remove that? Oh yeah,
Oh, there we
look
go.
at that. I will tell you why if you can take it off. Your truck 4Runner might have a high miles and oh yeah. And do you see what is there? That rubber?
Yeah.
So this is the cheapest place. This is that old stop. They have these washers and there's a rubber. That's a one use. It's always crushed. So we will replace it with a real Toyota part. Subscribers of this channel, they know all of them. I love these blue ones. So I'm showing it to them. I know they will agree your 4Runner is Toyota and deserves the real crush washer.
Doesn't matter which.
No, it doesn't matter. That's good. And is it nicely fitting right on the drain plug? Isn't that way better than the old one?
Definitely.
Yeah. So since it really stopped draining, why you don't go and by hand only start putting it in? And slowly put it there. Then we will clean it. Is it coming? Always pay attention to the thread, right? So you don't cross thread it. Did it go all the way?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Now we will torque it. So Isaac will be torquing his drain plug. He has it set to 39 Newton meters. So let's see if he can manage that. Carefully, slowly, we said, right? Don't rush it. Wait. Is it still going good? I need to recheck. We don't want to over tight it. Okay, you have it nice. Keep going. Just try to have it nice and straight, that socket. It should be easy. Still nothing? Okay, let's recheck the torque wrench. Aha, it went to the 36.9. Okay, a little bit more and it will be 39.
Got it.
Yeah, just stand nicely, keep it straight. Oh yeah, did you hear that? And that's it. You just successfully torqued that drain plug.
38.
That's fine. 38.7. We consider 39. Good job.
Awesome.
Yeah. So Isaac will put his gloves on for our most dirty job on this. And what is it?
It is the oil filter.
Yep, and it's a white one. Again, it was the cheap one from the old places. We nicely torqued the drain plug, but that oil filter needs to go. He's lucky because he has a two-wheel drive. If it was four-wheel drive, I will probably have to do it myself. But since it is his vehicle, he wants to know how to do it in future himself. He will try. He will try to undo it and catch the oil in the caddy. You can go ahead. And you remember what way you will turn it?
Yeah.
Right?
Oh, good. I'm too big.
Yeah, you are too big. You might need to go a little bit down or something, right? It's not easy. Being car mechanic, it's not easy. So if it will go, if it will give, don't forget to bring the oil caddy. Good job.
So oil will get all over me then.
What was that?
Oil will get all over me?
Well, it will be on the floor or on you, yeah. You have to undo it the way you will not have it all in the armpit and everywhere. But you will see when it will start turning, it will start also flowing the remaining oil. What do you think is the best way to put your hand up there? That's up to you. You can always try different angle. So did you say it moved already or not at all?
It moved.
Okay. Because you are tightening it right now, Isaac.
there we go,
yeah, haha. And now do like a one more turn and step away from it. It will start leaking. A little bit more and get away from it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at you. Look at you. You are doing it. This is exactly what needs to happen. And of course it's getting on that skid plate a little bit, but it's fine.
And on that wire right there.
Yeah, that's fine. That's a ground. There's a big ground wire. Yep, you are completely correct. Look at that. Well, good job. This is absolute incredible. Woo! Filling it all over, right? So slowly, the Lucy, Lefty Lucy, what you just learned from that friend who was here. Good job, good job. And slowly lower it in the caddy, put it upside down, because it will drain itself. And yeah, good job. Excellent. And we will let it drip for 1 minute maybe. So what do you got there? What are you hiding?
New oil filter.
Oh yeah. And you have the light ready there, right? So try to find some comfortable way to carefully put that filter on that thread. Always be careful. If it will not go, start again. Oh yeah, I already see it. Did you be in your past life, did you be in mechanic or what? It's easy for you.
I don't know.
It must be that two-wheel drive. The access is pretty easy. So we are down here underneath the vehicle, and Isaac is going to lower his truck. So let's see if he remembers.
Down.
These were the locks, I heard them, yeah? And sure enough, it's coming down. Really good. Good job. So now we have it down. We need to fill the engine with the new oil. We pulled the dipstick, right? So you know that was for just draining. And now where do you think is the filler? Where you will be filling the engine?
It is right here.
Okay. So
It says engine oil.
so let's get it off. Nice. So again, it's a Lefty Lucy, right? As those friends said. And can you tell me when you get it off? Can you tell me what kind of oil will be needed for your vehicle?
Energy conserving. Let's see.
What else it says? There's like a one number. It's a numbers and letters, and this is what we are seeking.
API SHSAE 5W30.
Bingo! So what oil we need?
5W30.
I like that. So I'm glad Isaac found that information. Sometimes when the vehicle is really old, the letters are missing. It's the white lettering. So he knows it's 5W30. He doesn't know, it's not written on it, that he needs 5.5 quarts of that 5W30. Will you remember it for the future?
5.5.
That's correct. That's what this engine takes. Perfect. Let's go and take care of that. And Isaac will borrow that screw-on filter. And let's see. Oh yeah, look at you. You must have been mechanic in your past life. You do everything effortlessly. Look at it. This is incredible. Now we just need 5.5 quarts or liters.
5 quarts. 5.5.
Good job. So let's see if Isaac can get that oil in that funnel. Oh my God, you did. It's a little bit challenging and you did it good again. Well, good job, Isaac. I like that.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
good job paying attention so you don't pour it too fast. I like that. Your 3.4 liter engine, 24 valve V6 will love you. And we will pour this one full. This is 5-gallon jug. And then we will use another half from another one. Only after that we will be basically done. Good job. Now where did we put that cap?
Well, it was right here.
Yeah. So always, if you have a rag, you can wait. You
Right.
can clean that mess. Do you see underneath it? If you put it, do you see that horror here?
Oh, yeah.
So clean it above the garbage can, so you can throw it in. Good job. Yep. Just wipe it off, because it's your baby. Now it's becoming your responsibility that everything is just clean and good, right?
Right.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can get all the way in there.
Yeah, that's no problem. Just the surface, you know. And let's go close it. Yep. Good job. Good job. Feel the thread. Look at you, man. You will be the good owner of this Toyota. I have a feeling. She's golden. Golden Toyota.
Toyota, yeah.
Let's go and check the level of the oil. We did the oil change. How you will do that? So you dry that. Nice. Gently putting it in all the way, right? And now look and tell me where the oil is.
I can see
Yeah.
that is just right over the second point or second dot.
So it's a top mark. We call it top mark.
Top mark.
Nice. Well, then we did a good job. That's awesome, Isaac.
Awesome. '96 Toyota 4Runner SR5 two-wheel drive oil change.
That was a good success.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
Well, guys, I will see you guys in a next video soon, I hope.
Okay. That's fine. Catch you later, alligator.